Okay, I want to show you one of my favorite features of Ruby, and that is interpolation. This will also be the first little program that we write. So suppose you want to write a program to write a letter. Every letter has to have a to. So let's go ahead and we'll put Paul's name as the to, and then we'll have some letter text. And we'll say hello, and then we want the name to go in here, but we'll just leave it blank for now. How are you? So supposing that we want that name to be different every single time, we can start by going ahead and breaking the string into two pieces. So we can combine it together with plus. But now, rather than them going right together, we're going to go ahead and put Paul's name in there. So hello, Paul, how are you? And you see if we change name to say Kyle, my name, then the letter text evaluates differently. Hello, Kyle, how are you? Now, combining strings together like this with plus can be a little cumbersome, particularly as your letter text gets longer and longer and longer. But one of the best features of Ruby, I think, is the ability to interpolate strings. That's interpolate as in interpolate. Interpolate. The interpolation operator is the number sign. And then what happens is we use an opening and closing braces. And inside of those opening and closing braces, we can put any valid Ruby code that we want. So we can say name, and that name will refer back to the variable name. Hello, Kyle, how are you? Now if we change name to Paul. Hello, Paul, how are you? Now, one of the things that's really important about interpolation is interpolation can only happen inside of double quotes. If you use single quotes, your interpolation will not be evaluated. So if you find yourself with that hash in there, that's because you've used single quotes instead of double quotes. Now it works correctly.